Okay, bike hack, magandang gabi, ladies and gents. So I'm trying this setup for tomorrow's long bike ride. So that's the power bank, and it's got this solar panel right here. That's why it's pointing towards the back. I had it secured with a carabiner here, see? So it won't fall out. And then I just, tighten it up, secure it so it doesn't move from side to side like that, yeah, when I'm biking. And I had this the boost canister under there just to make sure it doesn't slide down. But so far so good. We'll see tomorrow. Then I had the USB cable wired up all the way to the back of the helmet. As you can see there, I put the additional Velcro strap right there, and all the way to the video camera, because I tend to run out of batteries during long rides. So I plan to at least record everything out and back the whole trip. Let's see how it works. Yep. Also, I removed this one from the helmet mount because this is added weight. I will definitely lose the ability to tilt the camera, but that's all right. I'll just move my neck around. So yeah, so I got a couple of velcros in there and cable ties. You can see it. That's how it looks like. See, on the other side over here, and those are the bottom. So I'll just work my way through. I find this setup a lot safer. At least I don't have to remove my hands from the handlebar when I'm filming, so I just let it roll. So that's it, folks. Bike hack again. We'll try tomorrow. Okay, see ya. Bye bye. Long day tomorrow. Bye.
Everybody,
Over here, what does it say? 40.7. Average speed 23 horse. So that's the setup. I'm using my phone. Phone. That's how it looks like. Gonna eat and head back, but I'm gonna check first how the kit is holding up. Let's see. Yeah, still there. Still working. See? See? Still there. It is still working. See? Okay, no. That's good news. I'm thinking, what to do here? I'm on the intersection, Springbell Road and Dandenong Bypass. So far I've done 79 kilometers and it's only 12 noon. What to do now? Oh well. Go to Moorabbin then. Do an extra 20.